Hello, this is Programming Hero uh, question and answer part assignment. So the first question is, tell me about yourself. So Assalamu alaikum. It's a really pleasure of mine to introduce myself. This is Shohidul Islam. Presently, I am living in Moakhali, Dhaka. I was born and brought up in Moakhali, which is my hometown. I have completed my HSC from Bosraimal High School, and I have completed my HSC from Chowmuni SA College. Currently, I am doing my BSc in Computer Science and Engineering from Southeast University, and this is the 10th semester running. So I like watching English movie very much in my free time. My favorite hobby is traveling. I have already visited some places in Bangladesh like Siret, Coxbazar, Chattogram. I have good experience in coding. When I start my university journey, I was involved with competitive programming more than 2 years. Then I realized I need to know the software industry. Then I start my web development journey with Programming Hero more than 6 months. I'm a very friendly person. I like to make new friends. I have a good communication skill also. I see all difficulties in a positive manner and keep myself smiling, which makes me even stronger. So the next question is, tell us about your first project. So I have built a full stack programming project which was manufacturing site. This was my best project. This was a photography camera tool site for a shop store, responsive, fully functional, nicest website. This project has two parts, allowing customers to create an account, browser product, buy product, and write review. This project is another part of this admin part. Admins have the ability to add new product, remove existing product, remove user product, update shipping status, and create new admin account. Also available payment option in this project. In this project's front end, I used React.js, React Router, React from hooks, and AOS, and backend I used Firebase for login authentication, MongoDB. For developing, I use Firebase. I also created a backend API that was very hard working for me. I faced many problems to build the backend. And the backend I used Node.js, Express.js, and JWT token for better security. So the next question is, why should we hire you? That's a great question. From your job description, I noticed that you are looking for someone who is good with the communication as well as a junior full stack web developer. So I am a perfect fit for the job. I am a fresh junior full stack web developer. I have completed many React projects which we will include it. We have included my resume. You can check my resume. The next question is, what is your salary expectation? Sir, I am fresher. Salary is not my first priority for me. This is a big platform to start my career, and also I want to improve my knowledge and gain experience as a fresher. So I expected a considerable salary according to my ability. I am sure you guys will provide a competitive salary. And the last question is, do you have any question for us? Yes, I have a question. If you hire me, what do you expect from me in the first month?